Don't worry about it.
Never mind. Never mind, just go.
Are you ready?
Okay, I'm gonna keep counting. Look at Drew. Oh, he's gonna wipe out. He's gonna wipe out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Drew. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Uh-oh. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Uh-oh, Drew. Wave. Wave. Oh. Oh. It's a wave. Uh-oh, we're going on the upper part of the lake. Oh no. Hey, look at my foot. Drew is never gonna fall off those skis. Hey, turn it hard. Uh-oh, uh-oh, he's gonna go over the wave. Uh-oh. He's gonna go over the wave. He's gonna go over the wave. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh, Drew, we're turning. We're turning, Drew. Oh, sorry. We're turning. Uh-oh. Don't mess up, Drew. Don't mess up. You mess up, you're gonna fall and do the split and die. Dang it, he's just not gonna mess up, is he? Dang, he's good. That rope's going a little bit ballistic on him. Oh, he almost fell. He almost fell. Here he goes. Go fast. Oh, I missed it. Sorry, you missed a couple seconds of footage. I think his legs are just giving up on him. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, he fell straight forward. Is he okay? Is he okay? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?